Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to distract opponent before attacking them. So watch this clip from Indiana Jones and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out. Welcome back. So if you notice in this clip, Indiana Jones pointed at the ground first as he distracted his opponent, and then he went in for the kick. You can do this by throwing your wallet in their face, by throwing a rag like you saw me do earlier. You can point at the ground, whatever you want to do to distract the opponent, which then allows you to strike them without them being able to block it or see that it's coming. This works in regular fight situations, or even if somebody had a knife. This would be good in knife defense to be able to distract them as you go into attack. So let me show you on Bob here what we're going to do today. For this technique, we're just going to point at the ground, just like Indiana Jones did. So we got Bob here. I point at the ground. He looks to see what I'm looking at which point we go in for a left snap kick right to the groin. Point, look, but your peripheral vision, keep looking at your opponent. Here, kick, step, right cross to the chin. From here, follow up with a right inside leg kick. Again, point and look as he gets distracted. Left kick, step, right cross to the chin, right instep leg kick. Last time, slow. If you want to be more of an aggressor on this technique, you just don't point, you don't distract, you see your opponent, just kick him. Kick, hook, kick. So for this one, if you don't want to distract your opponent, you want to go in for the attack, just don't point and distract, don't throw anything. From here, just kick. Kick, hook, kick the inner thigh. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the heavy bag. Opponent's there, distract, throw something at him, kick, hook, kick. Again, distract, kick, step, hook, kick that inner thigh. So last time. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Go try it. And I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.